Welcome back, artists. Today we are going to start planning for our bookmarks. We'll be doing a little bit of a longer weaving unit, and your first job as an artist is to decide what color group you would like. On the planning sheet you'll see that you have some options: warm, cool, primary, secondary, and neutral, and I have examples of most of these here. This one here is warm. You see pink, you see like a red, violet, orange, and those colors are repeated. And then here I have cool colors. Here are my primary colors. And these are secondary colors. The only one I don't have is neutrals. And neutrals are the colors that aren't on a color wheel: white, black, gray, or brown. So your first job is to start with your name and your class code. And then you're going to decide what colors do you want to use. I am going to do secondary. So when you are doing your pattern planning, you should be using a 2 or 3 part pattern that uses the color scheme. So if I chose secondary, I'm going to be thinking about these colors here. I'm going to use orange, green, and purple. So then I'm going to take my time and color in these boxes with the colors that I am choosing. And remember, you want to always think about 3-star coloring, making all the white go away, staying in the lines, and using the same pressure. And then once I fill my box with the color, I can leave that color out so I could use it in my design. And then I'll find an orange. Now that I know what colors I'm using, I can start to think about which order I want them to go in. When you are thinking about your design, I want you to notice that when we weave, you go up a row, you flip over the side, then you come back down a row. So when you choose a color, you're doing 2 at a time. And if you look carefully at this planning sheet, you can see how there's a darker line every 2. So this would be one color, this would be a different color, and so on. Now your job is to decide, am I going to use all 3? Do I just want to use 2? And what order am I going to do it in? My favorite color is green, so I am going to do green first. And then I'm thinking I'm going to actually do green every other here. So this one will be green, this one would be green, this one would be green, and this one would be green. And then I like purple next, so I would do purple. And then I would leave this one for orange, and then I would do purple again. So my pattern is a little bit different than maybe what would be typical. And now that I have sort of my idea down, I'm going to take some time to color this in to make it nice and neat.